In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your Shopify store's payment settings using PayPal, making the process smooth and efficient without needing to provide a social security number. If you're looking to set up your Shopify store and ensure a streamlined checkout experience for your customers, then you've come to the right place. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin page. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your store, and it's where we'll be doing most of our work today. So go ahead and log into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, you'll see the home page of your Shopify store. This is the launch point for managing your store, and from here you can access all the various parts of your Shopify dashboard. Next up, you're going to want to click on the Settings option, typically located at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Under the Settings menu, scroll and find the Payments section. Click on it. This will bring you to the page where you manage how you'll receive payments from your customers. Now, why is this important? Well, setting up payments correctly is crucial for a smooth checkout process and ensures that you can receive funds without any hitches. On the Payments page, you have a variety of options to choose from. Today, we'll be focusing on using PayPal. Click on the PayPal section. PayPal is a widely used payment gateway that's known for its reliability and ease of use. It provides a secure way for your customers worldwide to pay using their PayPal accounts or credit cards, which makes it a versatile choice for any e-commerce store. Here's a handy tip. If you use PayPal, you won't need to input your social security number, which is a requirement for some other payment gateways. This makes setup quick and simple, especially if you're looking to avoid additional verification steps. Additionally, PayPal is integrated seamlessly with Shopify, allowing you to get up and running without any hassle. After you've selected PayPal, you'll need to connect your PayPal account to Shopify. This step usually involves redirecting to PayPal's site, where you'll log in and authorize Shopify to use your PayPal account for transactions. Once you've completed those steps, return to Shopify and you should see your PayPal details now linked to your payment options. And there you have it. You've successfully set up PayPal as your payment method in Shopify. Your customers can now enjoy a straightforward, secure checkout experience, and you can process payments with ease. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Happy selling!